everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a haul video and this is a Nykaa Valentine's Day haul. I bought quite a few products, mostly makeup from their sale, and I also have a couple of bath and body products to show you. But first let me show you the Valentine's Day sale pouch. With every sale, Nykaa introduces a different pouch and you get this free when you buy products worth rupees 4,000. This time, keeping with the Valentine's Day theme, this is the pouch. It's pink in color. It's got a really nice thick material zipper here, and this is what it is on the inside. So that is the sale pouch this time. Now getting started with the products, first I'm going to show you the bath and body care products that I picked up. Palmolive has a new body wash, and this is the Palmolive Body Butter Strawberry Fresh Exfoliating Body Wash. I love the smell of strawberry in my body products. I just love in general all kinds of fruity smells, and this smells really nice, and the consistency seems like it will be good for dry skin, and it has exfoliating particles, so it's also going to buff the skin. So that is the first body care product I picked up. Many of these brands have offers going on, so I'm going to list all of that in the description box below. Please make sure you check that. Then from the brand Balm Cosmetics, which is a bath and body care brand, I got a bath bomb which looks like this, and this is called Chasing Rainbows. Then I also got their cranberry and lime oil based body scrub which looks something like this, and this I think has a buy one get one free kind of offer going on. Like I mentioned earlier, I really like fruity scents, and this has cranberry and lime and it looks really fresh as well. Then from Nivea, I picked up their Cool Sensation body lotion, which I think is a new launch. So this contains SPF of 15 and it also has menthol, so it gives a bit of a cooling sensation, and it says light and moisturizing here. And I haven't tried it yet, I've only smelled it once, and it has a really nice fresh floral kind of scent, and it seems like it would be a good option for spring and summer. The weather has already begun to warm up quite a bit here in Mumbai. So that is the last of the body care products. Coming to skincare, I only picked up one product, and this is by Avène, and I'm not sure how to pronounce this exactly. YSTL, I don't know, but this is basically their eye and lip contour cream, and this is supposed to be really good for wrinkles and fine lines. I've become really regular with my eye care routine. I've started using slightly more expensive eye creams and I've noticed a difference. So I wanted to try this since quite some time because it's got a really good ingredient list which seems like it would work very well. I do like the brand in general quite a lot, but I haven't tried any of their anti-aging products. I've mostly tried their anti-acne products in the past, but I'm really looking forward to trying this out. So this is their eye and lip anti-aging contour cream. Now coming to makeup, I have so much makeup I don't even know where to start with this haul, but I have divided things into eyes, lips and face category. So I'm going to start with lips. I think in my previous haul many of you were pretty disappointed that there were absolutely no lip products, and that was just a conscious decision. I thought I have quite a few lip products, so I didn't want to add to my collection, but this time I spotted a couple of new brands that I really wanted to try out, or just new things in general. So I have, I think, six lip care products. Let's start with the lip primer. This is the NYX lip primer in the shade Nude. I've only tried one lip primer in the past, and that was, I think, the MAC one. I still have it somewhere. I've not really used it up enough because I thought it's MAC, it's expensive, I don't want to use it up too quickly, and I ended up not really using it much at all. But I want to see how this one works. It's supposed to be good for under liquid lipsticks. Also from NYX, I picked up their matte lipstick in the shade Street Cred, and this is a bright coral color. As you can see, I'm more into brighter lip colors at the moment as we're heading into spring, so I wanted a really nice coral pink color in a matte finish. So this is what I picked up. Then from the brand Note, which is a Turkish brand, I got their Hydra Color Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade 19 Berry Pink. This is a really nice natural pink kind of color, something you can wear every day. I've actually used this a few times and it works really nicely. It's slightly on the thicker side, but it feels really moisturizing, and the color is very natural and something that I can wear every day. I wanted to explore newer brands which I've not tried earlier, so I picked up quite a few things from the brand Essence, which is a European brand. They have a collection of nude lipsticks, and I picked up the shade Cool Nude, which I think was the darkest color in the range. Now the problem with most European brands is that their shade ranges tend to run quite light, quite pale, so you don't often get colors to match the Indian skin. But I checked up swatches online and it seemed like this would be a decent nude for medium complexion, and this is the shade 05 Cool Nude. When I was browsing on Nykaa, I came across a new brand called Isadora, which is a Swedish brand. I looked up swatches of this brand online. It seems like a pretty popular brand among Swedish bloggers, and I was able to find swatches quite easily. So I picked up two of their lip products. The first one is their sculpting lip liner in the shade Praline, and then I also got their twist up matte lips in the shade Bohemian, which is a really nice nude for my complexion. So that is all for lip products. Now coming to the face, I got quite a few new foundations. I tend to use more of higher end foundations because I just like the formula and shade range better, but I just thought I'll experiment a little more with more affordable brands. So I have, I think, 5 or 6 foundations here, but first I'm going to talk about primers. I picked up 2 primers. The first one is by Isadora, the Swedish brand I just mentioned, and the second one is by MUA Makeup Academy, and this is their Matte Perfect Primer. So I haven't tried these yet, but you'll see me using these in tutorials very soon. Moving on, I have 5 foundation like products. The first one is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Foundation, and I got this in the shade 92 Caramel. Now I have this in the shade Velvet Beige, which I think is 75, which is the 3rd darkest color launched in India, but it is still a bit light for me, so I'm really not able to use it. So I thought I'll buy the darkest shade as well, and then I can mix these two and do like a proper review and use them more in my looks. Next, I got the MUA Skin Define Matte Perfect Foundation, and I wasn't sure which shade to buy. I tried to look up swatches and I ended up buying the shade Beige. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm not sure if it's going to work for me. Once again, from the brand Isadora, I got their Active Moist Makeup in the shade 35 Sunny Beige. This actually had some pretty good reviews, so I'm really looking forward to how well this works. And from Chambord, I got their Enriched Revitalizing Makeup in the shade 301 Enriched Honey. I haven't tried this, but I read some really good reviews, and I do like Chambord as a brand in general. I have used this once since I got my products from this sale, and it seems like a good foundation for people with mildly dry or combination skin. I'm going to try it again and use it in a tutorial very soon. And then the last thing in the foundation base category is the Colorbar Perfect Match BB Cream, and this is in the shade Honey Glaze. Now I have used this in the past, I think maybe 3 to 4 years ago, and I used to really like it for everyday wear. I haven't used this in a few years, so I'm going to try and see if it's still as good as it used to be. Still in the face category, I have a couple of things for the cheeks. I have a bronzer. This one is by Essence, and this is their Sun Club Shimmer Bronzing Powder for darker skin. From NYX, I picked up their HD blush in the shade Summer, which is a really pretty bright coral color. I wanted something really fresh, really bright for the spring and summer, and I've tried the HD blushes in the past and I really liked them. I have the shade Glow, which is more like a neutral color. I wanted something a bit bright and very summer friendly, and as the name suggests, this is a really pretty summery color. Then the last thing I picked up in the face category is the Isadora Face Sculptor. This has a bronzer, a blusher, and a highlighter. Now they have these trios in a couple of different shade combinations. I think this one is called Peach. It's called Warm Peach. It seemed like something that would work for my medium complexion, but now that I see it in person, it seems a bit light, but still I'm going to try it out and see how it works for me. So that is the Face Sculptor in Warm Peach by the Swedish brand Isadora. So that covers face and lips. Now coming to the eyes, I have got lots of eyeliners and lots of mascaras. So while I was browsing the Essence range, I realized that they have a lot of mascaras. It was really hard to choose, so I ended up buying quite a few of them. And then the last mascara I picked up is a new launch by Maybelline, and this is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Maybelline generally makes good mascaras. Their previous one, the Lash Sensational, was really good, so I am looking forward to trying this one out and seeing how it works for me. Now coming to the last segment, that is eyeliners. I have a ton of eyeliners, mostly pencils. I do have one liquid liner, and that is by Essence. This is the Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. From Essence, I have 3 eyeliners. 2 of them are from the long lasting eye pencil range. The first shade is called Miss Moneypenny, which is a really nice sparkly nude, and then Hot Scotch is like a coppery brown, and these have a really nice, very soft creamy texture. Then I also have the Essence Gel Eye Pencil, which once again has a very good texture, and this is in the shade Cocoa Bean, which is a deep brown, and I really like using browns for everyday wear. From Color Bar Eye Glide range, I picked up the shade Electra, which is a really nice, deep, rich blue color. This range used to be one of my favorites a long time back, and it was like a big blogger favorite a few years ago, but lately I haven't really heard so much about them, even though they've got lots of new colors. And I was just looking at a few of their swatches online, and I thought Electra looked really nice. From NYX, I picked up 5 of their jumbo eye pencils. These again were like a big blogger favorite a few years ago, especially with American bloggers. And I wanted to get a couple of brighter colors because these work really well as a base under eyeshadow. By themselves, they're a bit too creamy, so if you use these alone, they might crease up a little. But once you use a powder eyeshadow on top, they actually work really good as a base, and they really enhance the color of the eyeshadow you use on top. So I've got 5 colors here. I have the shade Purple Violet. I want something purple to do a purple smoky eye with. Then I also have the color Peacock, which is like a turquoise color. The shade Yogurt, which is like a nude champagne color. I've used this in the past. This works really well as a highlighter. And then I have the shade Sparkle Green, which is a deep sparkly green, and the shade Cobalt, which is a really nice, slightly shimmery cobalt blue color. So that is all for this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was fun for you. I bought quite a few products from the January and the February sales combined, mostly makeup, and I haven't done as many tutorials as I'd like to because I took a bit of a break. I went to visit my parents, but now I am planning on doing a couple of colorful looks. Also a few looks that you all have asked for are like wedding makeup looks. So lots of tutorials coming your way. If you have any specific request, please let me know in the comment section below. All the product details and links are in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.